Ella, how do you brush your teeth? How do you brush your teeth? Like this? Can you do it? See, I don't need a baby toothbrush. I want a big toothbrush. Good job, Ella. Ella, will you brush your teeth again? Will you please brush your teeth? Oh, you need to stand up in the sink to brush your teeth? Okay, brush your teeth. Good job. Oh, my turn?